Cats like to break vases. Why'd I spawn up here? Where's the toaster?
As if you're getting far from me.
Shut up. Get in there. Whoa! What is that? Because I joined YouTube a year ago. And I only have 7 subs, so please support it. Well, I've seen people get bad subscriber count. Because if you pick 0 seconds, then that's just breaking the rules. Fly, boy! I thought that would fly. I thought that would fly. Crap! That was $1, dude. I didn't do that. He did it. Kaboom! Straight in there. Also, I like how last video I trick shot Granny's teeth into her mouth. I like how I trick shot that. I just threw it at her mouth and they just went in. I did not know you could do that. I got an idea. If the dog sleeps, he's gonna have a little surprise in his face. I brought 2 of them because this dandelion is gonna be in the way. So this one's just gonna squish it. For some reason, if you go right here, how is the dandelion lifting it? That makes no sense. I think I broke physics at this point. Oh my god. That was me. What? That wasn't me. That wasn't me. That was someone else. Oh my god. No, no. Oh! Bruh, that wasn't me. That was someone else. Wait, it wasn't me. See? Ignore that one that's covered in dandelion. No, that was there. Can you stop spinning like in circle? As soon as he falls asleep, I'm gonna whack him. Shut up. Shut the oh my god. Look this. Look this. Stop defying gravity. How are you not sleeping? Like, can you stop running this way? Go back. Why don't you even go in there? Where's the stone gun? It's a cool magic trick. Oh, hell no. There's a boulder, and he just killed himself with the boulder. Die! 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 Wait, I'm not free. Smash! Nope, my house. Nope, my house. Oh, nope. Stay in there. Oh shoot. He struggled. He struggled. Stay. I feel like he's right behind me. Bye.